Hello and good morning to everybody. It's Captain Hook tree climbing. We're gonna be doing a little climb. It's my first time climbing on the Fusion tether, so I'm thinking about getting back into using my rope wrench. I'm gonna try it out for the first time right now. It's got a nice construction. The quality of it kind of looks like it'll inspire confidence because it's very sturdy. Right now we're going to be climbing a sassafras. So here we go. One more time. Just going to make a spar anchor right here. Install that first. Very easily we can install the Fusion tether here. So look, it's like already trying to engage the rope wrench. I believe this is the Swibish. So the hitch back on. Connect myself to it right here. So I'm just gonna dangle it below me, and yeah, kind of just hides under me between my legs. Gotta go down there and grab a few things. Wow. Beautiful rope wrench engagement. Really nice rope wrench engagement here. Rope wrench engagement is really good, just as I would expect with any other system. With the rope wrench, it's doing kind of like what most tethers do. However, I have been playing with this device, and it does a little bit more than just what you would expect it to. So, can't seem to get a good position, so what I'll do is use my second lanyard. So one thing about this rope wrench setup, right off the bat, you can't side load it like other tethers can. But it makes sense because it is rope, or it's metal, not rope material. Oh. And there I go, side loading. This thing is pretty awesome. So let's take it off very easily. Undo the pulley, hitch, Don't have to worry about any pulleys falling, nothing like that. Don't have to worry about losing hardware. And this part's just really simple. Hook it up to the shumbiner. Alright, let's see how fast I can throw this notch fusion tether on. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, alright. Oh no. Okay. Two, 3, 1. And done. All right, so my hitch didn't bind before I started descending. It was just kind of seamless right there. So the